This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade today on Bitcoin. First, let's put my charts into perspective. This is a candlestick area. These gray vertical bars are volume profile. This is a slow stochastic indicator. This is the MACD indicator. These purple lines that you're seeing up here, these purple lines here. These are Camarilla pivot points. This is Camarilla pivot R4, and this is Camarilla pivot R3. This blue line that you're seeing here, this is the 200 exponential moving average. This is the 15-minute chart. This is the 60-minute chart. This is the daily chart. I'll walk you through what I'm seeing down here on the daily. So on the daily, we're seeing price action is above this 200 EMA here on the daily. Low volume but increasing. So we've got more volume coming in today than we've had the past 2 days. Slightly overbought condition or headed towards overbought, and increasing buyer momentum with the MACD above the average here. On the 60-minute, we can see that we're trading above this 200 EMA, which I would only want to trade this particular currency pair long today. I use the 60-minute as a gauge of strength or weakness or trade direction based on price action here, or strength or weakness here based on this 200 EMA. We can see a growing volume profile into the US Open here. We can see overbought conditions, so aggressive buying here, and we can see steady buyer momentum with it currently declining. We've got the MACD over the average right here. And then if we come up here on the 15-minute, we can see very similar price action here as we're seeing on the other chart. So we're above the 200 EMA. We've got increased volume coming in here at the R4 pivot. We can see that price action opens up below the R3, consolidates in this R3, breaks out of the R4 level, comes back, retests, doesn't retest the R3 level. So Bitcoin found buyer support in this upper half of this range between R4 and R3, broke out, sold back off here near the open, still found support here at a similar level, if not a little higher, and then with this volume coming in, able to break out. And we can see the overbought conditions as there was aggressive buying accompanied by this volume profile here. And we can see seller momentum shift to buyer momentum, and we can see the MACD shift over above the average line right here in conjunction with this pullback, and then this continued buying pressure here. This trade idea was an R4 to an R6 traverse. This was the profit target here at R6, where I actually took profits. And then we'll go and look at some numbers here. So I reduced my account size. So I was trading with about $100 a day in my account. Now I went down to $50. I was trading on tilt way too aggressively, and way too much size, taking too big of losses, and psychologically just affecting my ability to trade well or trade successfully. So reduce my daily account balance to like $50, and focusing on 1% or risking 1% of my account per trade. So about 50 cents risk here as I started the day with about $50.30 or so. You can see the Bitcoin position was entered here at the 4:15 and then taking an exit here at 817. The risk was 50 cents, but my stop loss was tight enough that I didn't risk the entire 50 cents, and then was able to profit about let's say about $1.30, $1.40. So yeah, pretty good day. Was able to grow my account by 1.7% today. So keeping things on the small side, but keeping things on let's say the good side of trading. So trading properly, not trying to make money, just trying to make good trades, and just focus on the percentages, not the dollar value. But this is my trade today on Bitcoin, and this is On Tilt Trading. We'll see you next time.